Hey, what's up people out there? How are you? Well guys, in this video what I will tell you, or I will present you 10 questions of basic science and engineering. So guys, these questions are very important, as you all know, the CB22 exam is just around the corner, right? So we don't have much time to do anything else. So I'm going to start, and I am going to present only 10 questions, but these 10 questions are very important as far as your CV2 exam is concerned, right? So let's start it. What is the first question? The following is not included in title block of a drawing set. This is a drawing set, right? Here we make TITLA title block. So what is not mentioned in this title block? Well guys, we do not mention the size. This is the size of set, right? So what is the size of set? We do not mention in this, right? We do not mention. The next question is universal gas constant SI unit. What is the unit of well guys, this SI unit is joule Kelvin minus 1 mole minus 1, right? This is the SI unit of universal gas constant. This is very important, Third question is Kepler's second law is based on what? Kepler's second law is based on what? Actually guys, it is based on conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum, right? Next question is free fall of an object in vacuum in case of motion with free fall of an object, right? In vacuum in case of motion with uniform acceleration, right? The next question, in case of negative work, the angle between force and displacement is, in case the angle between force and displacement is, in case of negative work angle is 180 degree, right? Getting my point. Question number 6, choose the correct equation for the interconversion of temperature scale. Interconversion of temperature scales. So the correct expression is, your equation is Tc minus 0 upon 100 is equal to Tf minus 32 upon 180 degree. This is the correct equation you have to follow. This is for the interconversion of temperature scale, right? And this equation is the correct one, right? 7th is what? Well guys, electric current is a scalar or vector? scalar or vector? You know, scalar only have magnitude, vector magnitude and direction. So electric current is a scalar quantity, right? Eighth question is, what are the two families of simple machine? Well guys, as your simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple machine, right? Simple machine is of 6 type, right? So here, as the example is given, in what are the two families of simple machine, right? Inclined plane, as you all know, inclined plane is a simple machine and lever is a simple machine, right? So the answer is inclined plane. Three more options are also given, but that is not wrong here. Inclined plane and the lever is the right answer, right? Ninth one, ensuring the safety, health and welfare of the employees is the primary purpose of the Factory Act. You have to remember this, Factories Act 1948. According to Factories Act 1942, it should be ensure the primary health, safety and welfare of the employee, whosoever the person is working in that organization, right? Getting the point. The 10th question is, the radiation absorbed by ozone layer are of course ultraviolet. This is easy one. This is ultraviolet rays we experience from the ozone layer, isn't it? So this is the 10th question I explained for you guys. So this is all what this video is. I'm going to bring so many parts for you. I will take only 10 questions because I believe 10 question is enough for you, because it is always better to learn few and understand many, right? So have a great day, take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.